Yo, कैसा तो बोल सला? What's up? Welcome, bienvenue, salam alaikum. Thank you so much, guys, for these 4,000 subscribers, and that's amazing. I really appreciate it now, and now I'm really crazy because oh my goodness, I can't wait to answer all of those questions, those word questions that you asked me, and I'm gonna answer them. And also, I want to thank the guy who lend me this phone. Let's get started. Let's get started.
Nefa PTV o kalu Fosse espoir makarari fo Fitini sanandu takulaku Impossible ateretaku.
Alright, so yeah, let's begin with the first one with Saluiniana Karena Rasafarfun. Hey girl, hey, what's up? Okay, so your question is tes futurs projets. I'm gonna answer it in English though, even if it's in French, okay? And so my project is now I'm gonna probably work with Nins, and you're gonna watch his page here. I'm gonna probably work with that guy because he's pretty cool and he's very sociable and he understands all of the YouTuber. He helps them even if he's like helpful for us, and probably we're gonna have a kind of collaboration with him and with Tax. With the guy I'm gonna put this guy. You're gonna watch his video on his page because he has a lot of videos, funny videos, and that's probably my next project. I think it's up to Nathan because he's the boss of all of that stuff, so it's up to him to choose what we're gonna do. But in fact we're gonna work together. Alright, next one, and I'm telling you, this is really the crazy. We have Nomentsu and Riamitansu. It's like who is the name of his and Martin and Riamitansu? I don't know if that guy is your family, one of your family. I don't know. But the question is, Bola Raflak Finger.
Mitunia Zanaku Faetuau Rekwavuku Hireu vavakau Bianca minyai kinyala eluna.
Huh? We have a kind of story, okay? Me and Nomentsu, and he was my classmates when I was at COG, and actually he's my friend. Hey man, I have a girlfriend, okay? And you don't know her, and you are not my Raflag tunes. Okay, you are not man Raflag. It's over. Raflag, no. Let's move to the next one. With Sekmaland. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that name? I don't know. It's probably a girl, and the question is in French, Magasi. I don't know what kind of language is this, but I understand it though. So the question is, Takelage. Alright, so I'm not going to lie because as you can see of my face, I am pretty old, and so seriously, actually I am 18 years old now, and I'm gonna be 19 years old after a few days. Okay, so we are with Miti Gahel. Who first, hen or egg? What the fuck? During my childhood, all of people ask that, like, who came first, hen or egg? But I didn't even know what is that, and now I don't still know what is that. I think due of the research that I did some research, okay, don't blame me, and like I think chicken came first. I don't know, but it's a hard question, okay, and it's dumb. Sorry guys, because I am pretty sick now and I need to manage and deal with a commit. Alright, anyways, so the next question is Juwari Iharansuwa. Your course is making videos. The reason of this is that I'm gonna just to show my passion and to have memories so all my next children in the future will know that I exist in this fucking world. So that's the reason of this video, and I wanna do something in my life, and but not my goal is not really making videos. I have another goal, but I think it's private and I don't need to tell it here. This next one is really long, and I think that I'm gonna push like full screen and you're gonna see and we're gonna read together. With Tujuran yeah. Hi boy, I have some most important things that I want you to put in your next video. It is quite complicated, especially we are just young, but I know that you can make it. Can you tell us what you think about life, like what life really is? What's your main goal in life? What happiness and satisfaction really are? And let us give hands to change the world and inspire the others. I have tried to bring some of these topics to my private English group and realized that people should be able to understand them to live in happy life. Yeah, I'm telling you, this question is like doing philosophy in a school or French, but I'm trying to answer all of that, okay? And don't blame me if there's something wrong that I'm gonna say, because I have got some experiences about life, but not all of the experiences. I'm gonna answer with like, can you tell us what you think about life? Life is a torture and life is awesome. Both sides, the negative one and the positive one about life. The negative one is like, and you need to fit and you need to, you know, like understand all of the kind of spaces. As I don't know if, but I quit. No, I don't quit. But what life really is? Oh man, it's not doing fun. Fuck. What life really is? Life is life. Life is good. La vie est belle, mon ami. Hein? La vie est belle. Yeah, life is, I don't know. What's our main goal in life? I mean, you mean my one goal? My one goal, you know, life or our main goal? Like, you have in common. I would say our main goal in life is to progress. And also not only you progress, but also the country by itself. Like, if you progress, your country will go with you and like progress. Yeah. What happiness and satisfaction really are. We have our own happiness, dude, and we have our own satisfaction. But my happiness is that if you are watching that video, share that video, tag people in this video, that is my happiness and my satisfaction. And also be with my friends and my family. I will never forget them. It's too long. Okay, I need to summarize it. Next question with Neno Diamozora. Yeah, my dude, my man. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm really thankful to that guy. In your opinion, what is the definition of friendship? But fuck, man. I'm trying to explain what is friendship. Like, for me, friendship is like when you have a relation with your friend. Like, you understand each other, you help each other, you don't hesitate to help your friends if your friend is in trouble. For me, like, you need to trust your friend. And I don't really know the definition of friendship because I stopped studying now. When I got my baccalaureate, I stopped studying, even if a lot of people say it. I don't give a fuck. I don't know exactly how to define friendship yet, but I'm telling you that you are part of my friend that I really appreciate. Oh my god, so gentle. Okay, so next question with Dina Lufimapun. Is that her name? Okay, cool. What's your aspirations when you make a video? My aspiration is like my life around me, like in my community, and also my friends, because some of them are my friends and some of them are not. But it's really like it's always do of your community, the reason you did your video. That is my aspiration. Okay, so next question with Charlie Sylvie. Why do you like speak English? How can I speak English fluently like you, even if I hide it? Well, I like speaking English because that makes me handsome, because I am ugly, you know, like my face is like terrible, no one wants to see it. So that's the reason why I speak English, so that I become handsome and attractive. So yeah, that is the reason. Yeah, I like speaking English. Yeah, I like, because I need to practice, as I said. I'm telling you that you have to work hard, as I said, because it will not come by itself. You need to work hard and you need to do everything just to improve your English skills, and that is the most important thing. But you need to work hard and you need to be sociable and need to be friendly so that you're gonna have a lot of friends and you can practice with them. You hate it? Oh my god. Yeah, before I really hated when I was at Shurushi. I really hated because I didn't understand anything about English. I was like the kind of guy, if the teacher asked me, hey students, do you understand all of the things? And yeah, I'm really motivated to say, yes teacher, but you need to work hard. But it's understandable, okay? It's understandable that you don't actually how to speak English. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Okay, work hard. Yeah, guys, that's all about the question that you asked me, I think. And yeah, thank you so much for asking me that those questions, because I did my best to answer all them all. So yeah, that's all about it. And don't forget to share and talk. Tell your friends. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna do the next video with like really amazing. Can't wait to do that. And stay tuned because I'm gonna do all my best with that. Okay, always connected and do not forget help each other. Peace.